Assignment from I'm in Notcoin bot. Many people who are currently staking Notcoin have started to see tasks from I'm project, but I decided to share this information with you not because of the task itself and reward for staking. I personally bought tokens of this project for a substantial amount of money, and I am very pleased to see that the project continues to actively develop, build new partnerships, and attract the attention of a new audience. I will say right away that I opened this deal for a long-term perspective, and I do not expect the project to make excess here and now, but even in the context of the next few months, a very large number of strong events are announced, which with a high degree of probability will positively affect the price of the hashtag Lime token. In brief about the project and its achievements, I'm as a messenger built on the open source Telegram. Its main feature is its advanced features and functions, which will especially appeal to hardcore cryptons, crypto, wallet plus, DeFi plus, NFT plus, staking plus, Binance integration. Achievements and important metrics. Over 10 MN downloads on Google Play and App Store. Strategic partnership with the hippest market maker DWF-Labs, which has been revaluing billion-dollar projects. Rumor has it the same market maker is now working on Notcoin revaluation. 1.2 million monthly active users. Daily new user growth of 5 to 20,000 daily users. Monthly token burning announced. Planned many new partnerships and listings on top of existing ones with exchanges. BingX, BitGet, Gateo, Mex, etc. I'm not encouraging anyone to buy. Everyone makes their own trading decisions. I'm just broadcasting and justifying my personal actions, which I will come back to over time to verify results. Personally, I follow the development of the project very closely. As soon as there will be new interesting steps in the development, I will share with you and broadcast my further actions.